Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the font size on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open settings on this device, then navigate down to display and brightness section and open it. Then scroll down to font settings, and here in font settings, first of all, you can select the font that you'd like to use. And for default font, we can change its size by moving this upper slider to the right to increase it, or to the left to decrease the size. But if you select Mi Sans, or if you download some other font on your device, it may also be able to change its boldness in the pretty much the same way that we change the size of the text. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.